Hello and warm greetings to everyone. I am Drashti Sanghvi, an innovator from the Institute of Advanced Research, Gandhinagar. Today, I am thrilled to present an exciting project that one of the most pressing challenges in the modern food and environmental safety, that is, the purification of cooking oil for multiple reuse cycles. In many households and businesses, used cooking oil often ends up being discarded or reused without proper treatment, leading to health hazards and environmental issues. Our project, Telshodhan, introduces a promising solution that not only extends the usability of the cooking oil but also promotes a cleaner, safer environment. Our innovation leverages the unique properties of the natural resources, ensuring a sustainable, eco friendly, and cost effective solution for the everyday oil purification. The goal is to significantly reduce wastage, improve food safety, and provide a scalable solution for industries. What makes this project impactful is its potential to create value not just for households but also for small and large scale businesses seeking better resource efficiency. With growing awareness of environmental sustainability, we believe that solutions are essential for fostering a healthier and greener future. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to engaging with interested stakeholders and investors to bring this project to life. Thank you.